Hi everyone, this is Susanna, and I wanted to take a moment to show you my favorite product, which is Paper Pumpkin. This is a kit that you would receive each month or at one time. It doesn't require a subscription, but each month you will receive everything that you need. Your first kit will include this acrylic block. It's a size D block, and it will work for almost all your stamping. You can use that for the paper pumpkin, and you can use it for any other stamping that you have. It also comes, every kit, with its own theme color. This is rich razzleberry. It's a stamping spot that you can use over and over again. Here's the entire kit that you need to make, in this case, 12 cards. It also comes with its own stamp set. Those are some cute images that go well with a theme that you can use on any other cards that you might make, even scrapbooking or in a journal. In this case, these cards will only be using the sentiment stamps. Here's everything that you need. You'll have the dimensionals, which is an adhesive, and here's the envelopes. They're beautiful because they have colored paper inside, and each card has its own elements. This one is a beautiful, I think that's called Blackberry Bliss, very dark purple. And here's some cards of one style and another. These are the sentiment pieces, and these are all die cut, and they just come right out of the paper there, no need to cut. And each time that you receive your paper pumpkin, you have instructions, the steps that you should take. In this sense, you're going to separate all the pieces, you're going to stamp the images, and all you need to supply is your own scissors. In the back is the basic designs that you're going to be making, but it also shows you some samples of how to use your stamps for future projects, and even to take the elements of your cards and make your own. So here it is, separating each piece for the card. And now I wanted to give you a quick run through of making these cards. So we're going to speed up the video here in a second, but I wanted to show you that you can open your stamping spot with your scissors, leave it hinged in the back so you'll never lose the top. And here we go. We're going to stamp some sentiments now. And let's see, oh yes, wanted to show you that it has this acrylic covering to keep dust from your stamps. And it also has a coordinating print so you can keep them organized on your plastic sheet. So this first one, I'm just going to use my D block. They're photopolymer stamps, and they stick to the block securely. So I've applied ink by just tapping it. You don't need to push very much pressure. You just tap it, and you can take a look and see how much ink you have on it and stamp it down. So here I'm just going to show you quickly how you construct each card. I'm using a bone folder, which is something you can add to your kit of tools. And I'm deciding to do this koala bear one first for you. Here's the dimensionals. They're foam adhesive that causes each element to rise above and create some, as you would suspect, dimension. And it's just a really nice touch and makes your card look extra special. This particular one has the koala bears holding an element. It's really cute, really different. Everything is specially styled. You'll never get the same kit twice. And it'll teach you different techniques. And so all we needed for this particular card are these dimensionals, and they give you so many that I can use them over and over again. The last thing to do is to own it. Own your crafting ability. Sign your name. Say hello. Special greeting. And send it off in one of the wonderful envelopes that was provided for you. Sign up for this coming paper pumpkin ends on February 10th. The theme is encouragement and sympathy cards that you can send to your loved ones. Click on the link I've posted to get yours, and then join me for a Zoom get-together as we assemble them. I'll have additional designs you might like to make. Allow me to have your contact info when you order, and I'll send you a link for the Zoom call. I hope you'd like to join me.